here. Good morning. Guess where we are? Right behind me, you see the T, the red T there. We're now at the Gigafactory Berlin in the flesh. It's a beautiful sunny morning. It is about 9 a.m. here in Grünheide at Brandenburg, right in the outskirts of Berlin. And you can see the Ferris wheel and all the tents. That area is the Giga Fair, where you'll host up to 9,000 people today. It's going to be really cool. The factory tour itself is going to be inside, so we hope to check it out later. And we just saw a ridiculous amount of Teslas on the way here. I think we probably saw at least 100 Teslas coming to Gigafactory Berlin. And I believe this is a queue for registration, so let's queue up and you'll see us again inside. Great. Welcome back to Investing with Darren. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with more videos like this.